We have to find minimum or maximum value of quadratic function. When we have quadratic function and we need to find minimum or maximum, first we have to check the coefficient before x squared. Before x squared we have positive value. So a is greater than 0. When a is greater than 0, we have parabola opens up. When parabola is open up, then we cannot find the maximum value because this part of our parabola and that going to infinity. We can find only minimum value of our function, and minimum value of our function will be the y coordinate. So we need to find the vertex, and the vertex, the y coordinate of our vertex will be our minimum of our function. So we need to find the vertex. Let me remind you formula. When we have general form of quadratic function, y is equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex has coordinates negative b over 2a, and the second is value of our function for negative b over 2a. So this is our x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. So let's look to our quadratic function. A is equal to coefficient before x squared, b is equal negative 3 before x is coefficient is b, and constant is 1. So now we have ABC, we can calculate x coordinate of our vertex is negative b over 2a. So this is equal negative. Sign we copy. We have b is negative 3 over 2 times a is 2. So this is equal negative and negative giving positive. So we have 3. 2 times 2 is 4. We have x coordinate. The y is f of negative b over 2a. We found negative b over 2a is 3 over 4. So now we have to go to our quadratic function and we need to substitute every x by 3 over 4. So this is equal 2 times 3 over 4 to second power minus 3 times 3 over 4 plus 1. So this is equal, we have to do first the power, so 2 we copy, and in parentheses 3 over 4 to second power will be 9 over 16 minus 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 plus 1. So this is equal 2 we can reduce with 16 will be 8. So we have 9 over 8 plus 9 over 4 plus 1. So this is equal, of course, the minus we have 9 over 4. So now we have to subtract two fractions. How we do this? We need to have the same denominator. 8 and 4, so the common denominator will be 8. I need to multiply 4 times 2. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So we have 9 over 8 minus 9 times 2 is 18 over 8 plus 1. So this is equal, when we have the same denominators, we copy the numerator, 8 of course, and we have 9 minus 18 is negative 9 plus 1. So this is equal. Now we have improper fractions, so we can change to mixed number. This is negative 1 and 1 over 8 plus 1. So this is equal negative 1 over 8. We found value y, so we can write that minimum value of function is negative 1 over 8. Always, when you have to find minimum or maximum value of function, quadratic function, you need to check the coefficient before x squared. When coefficient before x squared is positive, It means our parabola is open up. We cannot find maximum because this part and that part of our parabola goes to infinity. So we can find only minimum value of our quadratic function, and always minimum value is the y-coordinate of vertex. This is my solution.